Monday, I went fishing with my dad. He caught a big one. I was sad. On Tuesday, we fished a different spot. He caught another and I did not. On Wednesday, we fished a different lake. The fish were there for him to take. Thursday came and we hit the river. He caught 5. I got a sliver. On Friday, I told him I needed a rest. He said, "Let's go and give it your best." Saturday came and he caught more. I tried so hard. My arms were sore. Sunday morning, we were there very fast. I baited my hook and made a cast, a tug on my line. My reel was screaming. I caught a fish. My eyes were gleaming. When I got it to the boat, we were amazed to see. The biggest fish in the lake was caught by me.